Solidarity forever.
Arutani a irathi cia junior secondary kaunti-ini ya Makueni moigite matikweruhia kandarathi cia weru angikorwo kamiti ya kwandika arutani ndikumaiganania na arutani aria angi mirihiri-ini ya mishara.
The TSC, where we were promised that we'll be paid 20,000 as a stipend for the teaching in the JSS. Then later on we came to realize that the government has taxed us. It has deducted us. At the end of the day we go home with 17,000.
Arutani aya ni mendikithitie mathomo ma junior secondary uthamirio mathukuru-ini ma secondary niguo kunyihia thina uria uriho wa kigina gia kuigana mutaratara-ini wa githomo gia CBC.
This JSS thing should not be in primary schools. They should be moved to secondary schools. Moved to secondary schools. Simply because in primary schools there are no facilities.
Mari mururungano-ini kaunti-ini ya Makueni arutani aya MOUGITE makoretwo na ihinda iritu magithomithia amu marahuthira mathukuru maria makuhiririe ma secondary mathomo-ini mamwe undu uria utumite manyururio na kuhe ciana cia junior secondary ihinda iritu ria guthoma.
We don't have people to consult. Yes. When we go to secondary schools we have our mentors there are labs, and we are going to teach well because there will be team teaching.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama gia KUPPET kaunti-ini ya Makueni JSS oigite arutwo ni mekuhutio na njira nene akiuria thirikari kuheana mbeca cia kuigana thukuru-ini cia muthingi niguo mahote kwandika arutani aya.
Calling our members of parliament, kindly go back to parliament, institute a supplementary budget, allocate this money and let our teachers be confirmed on permanent and pensionable terms.
Giri Fotera Kameme TV Jitagwo Nyambura wa Kiruba.